Hey Siri, turn off the lights.
PM3 is a Wi-Fi enabled smart plug that allows you to have full control over your lights and electronics from anywhere. The PM3 is the world's only dual smart plug and USB charger compatible with Alexa and Apple HomeKit. So no matter what you are doing or where you are, you're in control of your home. It is easy to install. Simply plug it in, download the app on your iPhone or Android, and boom, you're connected. PM3 works with Alexa, Siri, and Linkwise app.
Hey Siri, Alexa, turn living room light on.
So you can control your home without touching a thing, or use your phone to manage your home while you're away. Create scenes and set schedules that fit your daily routine. Use the energy monitor and intelligent status feedback to compare how much energy your devices and products are using. Save money and conserve power by turning off items when you aren't using them. Our adjustable nightlight will ease nighttime movement. Dual USB ports will keep your devices fully powered. With PM3, you control your home wherever you are.
Alexa, turn on kitchen.
Okay.
With the Rack Magnetic Wristband, there's no need to search your pockets anymore. This innovative tool holds nails, bolts, and screws right where you need them. Never lose small parts again with 10 strong magnets strategically placed throughout the wristband. When working alone, this awesome tool is a great time saver, giving you a third helping hand for every project you throw at it. But it's not only for your wrist. Strap it on your waist and use it as a super compact tool belt. Our magnetic wristband is built to last with adjustable fit for every wrist and features a soft, breathable inner layer so you can work all day. This is the perfect gift for the handyman or do-it-yourselfer for any occasion. You won't know you needed one until you have one. Satisfaction guaranteed with a full 1-year return policy when purchased from Ad Hoc LLC. No questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Buy yours today.